You and your best friend Colin have been in a friendly competition since elementary school to see who can earn the best grades. Now, as high school juniors, you're both at the top of the class at your respective schools. This year, however, you think you might have an academic edge. Included in your back to school packet is a letter with a web address, some usernames and passwords, and a district code. The letter says this information is for students and parents to use PowerSchool, the student information system used by your school district. Having access to PowerSchool and all of your grade, assignment, and attendance information sounds great and will definitely help you monitor your progress. Being an inquisitive student, though, you have some questions. What devices can you use to access PowerSchool? And how do you and your parents use the username and password information provided to sign in? PowerSchool offers both a web-based application, used on a computer, called PowerSchool Student and Parent Portals, and a free app available for both Apple and Android devices, such as phones and tablets, called PowerSchool Mobile. Students and parents use the same web address and app to access PowerSchool, but they see slightly different information. After navigating to the web address in a browser, students enter the student username and student password provided by their school to sign in to PowerSchool. Students can see only their personal account information. After downloading PowerSchool Mobile, students use the same username and password to sign in. The first time they sign in, they will also need the district code. If the district code isn't included in the information provided by your school, the code can be found at the bottom of the navigation menu in PowerSchool Student and Parent Portals. Before parents can sign into PowerSchool, they must create a parent account. Parents can add multiple students from different schools within the district to their accounts. Each parent account is unique, and usernames and passwords are not shared among parents. Use the same web address as students to get to the student and parent sign-in page. Click the Create Account tab, and then click Create Account. A parent enters his first name, last name, and email address. Next, he creates a unique username and password. In the Link Students to Accounts section, he enters the following for each of his students: the student name, access ID, access password, and his relationship to the student. The access ID and password are provided by each school or the district office. Upon completion, at the bottom of the page, click Enter. Once the account is created, parents use their account information to sign in to either the portal or the app. Just like with a student account, they will need to know the district code the first time they sign in to PowerSchool Mobile and can get this information from the portal. Now that your questions have been answered, you and your parents are ready to use PowerSchool to monitor your school progress. And you can focus on a more difficult task, getting better grades than Colin.